Good morning, it's 7:15. Yay! My phone rang at 5 o'clock. PPI. Woke Scarlett up, so they weren't impressed. So we should have had an extra 45 minutes in bed. But somebody phoned and ruined that. But that's James and Dad just got here, and Mum and Dad are just up, and we're going to go out and order an Uber, and we're going to Animal Kingdom Lodge for breakfast at Boma. Me and Jimmy went last year. It was 4 years ago. We were here last, just after we got engaged, but the day after, and we got mimosas, which was lovely. But that's why we're going back. We really enjoyed it. So, and then a day at Animal Kingdom Lodge and Flight of Passage. I can't remember what that was called there. For the first time. So really looking forward to it. I think it's downstairs. I don't think so. We've arrived at Animal Kingdom. Yeah, it's down here, so we're going to go. So we go in the lift and go downstairs, and we're going to Boma for breakfast. I love this hotel. Jimmy just said, but we're not staying yet. I think we will. This is our destination for next trip, whenever that is. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, the fruit looks delicious. Get some for Scarlett. I've forgotten how good jungle juice is. Oh, it's just delicious. How are you getting on with yours? Mummy's waiting. Yummy. Lucky girl getting a Boma breakfast. They're all the way up to the buffet. And I'm just going to hang fire, but I don't know what to start with. Oh, I've forgotten how nice this place is. Animal Kingdom Lodge is just beautiful. We're definitely staying here next time. Definitely. What you bought back?
Fairly basic just now.
Okay, starting off plain.
On you go get your breakfast.
Going up for plate number 2. Oh, everything looks so lovely. I'm glad we came for opening notes. Everything looks lovely and fresh, but I just can't decide what to have. Like French toast spread pudding. These all sound amazing, but I think I want to go and get something savoury. Oh, sorry. Cheeses and hams and salmon. Fruit and yogurt. More fruit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go and get some sausages. There's Jamie, what are you getting? Potatoes?
Tater tots.
They're not tater tots. No. Right, okay, I'm gonna go get a plate. I'm going for the small approach of little and I can go often. So I've just got some carved ham, a sausage and goat's cheese, scrambled eggs with spinach. So good. And I got a birthday cupcake. I didn't eat it though, but I put it in my sandwich bag, which probably not get eaten, but anyway, melt to bits. But we really enjoyed Boma, and I think everyone else did as well. We got our gift cards yesterday, so we're just now starting to pay our tips with the gift cards just as well. So we've got $400 to help with our tips, so it's great. Oh, look at these two. What are you two up to? So I would highly recommend it. I think Boma is actually one that I'll come to in every trip just because it's so good. And we were one of the first, it wasn't even open when we arrived, so that was good. But we're just waiting in everyone, and then we're going to head to Animal Kingdom. Probably look in the lobby upstairs first because it's such a nice hotel. And then we're going to head to Animal Kingdom. So here we are outside. Hear the drums. Oh. Steam up. Whoop! It's actually okay. Oh, it's just beautiful here. But I think the pool's empty, Jamie was saying, or somebody was saying. But I had seen that they're renovating it, so. I wonder if we see any zebras. It's steamed up. There we go, that's better. That's better, Scarlett. Oh. Zebras. Oh, climbing up. What are these birds? Do you know?
Let's see.
Oh.
There's something over there, look.
Yeah, I'm just trying to zoom in and see what we can see. They're like wee deers or something, antelopes maybe. I'm obviously just guessing. Still very steamy. Yeah, it's better.
terms of animals, over on the right hand, see the zebra over there, look.
Yeah.
See it?
Where?
There,
Oh, I
there.
see it now.
See where the buggy is? That's a zebra right behind it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just about to see with the zoom.
that young next to it as well.
Here.
That's us, ready for Animal Kingdom. Got a rented stroller for today because we needed a car seat. So this is all a bit different for us, but hey ho. We're on the bike. You ready? You excited to see all the animals? Night will be.
There's you.
We're here! And it's too much for someone. But we're going to go in. I think we're going to go into Pandora, but obviously not do flight passage. We've got a fast pass later for that. And do the other one. I can't remember the name of it, that's terrible. So we're going to go through and go and see it all for the first time. It's very exciting. Still feels a bit bizarre that we're here. Day 3, Animal Kingdom. Here's a tree. This is beautiful. It's very nice. And soon we're just going to follow the crowds because everyone will be going in the same direction. There's Jamie. What way do you think it is?
Left.
So follow the crowd. It's left. Yeah, let's go. And it's 8:45, so I don't know if we're going to do it or not. It's maybe a bit long, so we need to regroup, but it's good to come along and have a look. And I think Pandora was at 70. Pandora Flight of Passage was at 75. Like, it's incredible. Very impressive. 45 minutes was too long, so hopefully we might get after this panic. So we're going back to get our fast pass and go see the animals, which hopefully by then Scarlett will be awake, so she'll be able to benefit of it and actually see them. But amazing to go and see it in the Portland Mountains. How did Disney do that? Really, I really don't know how. Incredible. We're going to go see the animals. She just woken up, so I don't think you can. Then we're using our fast pass for the lunch now. So. I think I'd like to see the animals. Yeah. Oh my god, it's right here. Look at it. Hello. Hello. Where are you off to? Where are you off to?
Zebras are actually black with white stripes.
It's amazing how it walks. It's like, oh, it's running. Oh, it's coming up.
Oh, look at it go. Go for Alec.
Jeebus.
Aren't they beautiful?
It's not bothered.
Excuse me.
Ostrich.
As you can see, they have an attitude. I guess she didn't like me passing.
Just had our photo taken at the Mickey Wall. I don't know what it's called actually. I'm sure somebody will comment below and let me know. That'd be great. But passing Harambe Market, and we're heading off to Asia. We just had coffee, had a nice vanilla coffee. It was really nice actually, but a bit sweet, but nice and cool because it's hot. It's very hot today. So I think we're going to have to do a child spot for this ride, but that's fine. I think we're all going to go on, which is good. We'll all get a wee turn. Until Jimmy's gone, he must be ahead somewhere. But yeah, no, I like this ride a lot actually. I really like it. Cool down though. I wonder what Scarlett thinks of it. What do you think, Scarlett? Is that funny? Everest. Shocked. Well, it's Everest, of course. In Asia.
Even got snow.
How could you voiceovers?
You'd be good at it. Scarlett! The Yeti! Mwah! Mwah! How funny! They're actually very, very cute. Wonder how much they are. She doesn't need a Yeti, she needs a mini or a Mickey. $19.95. Do you like the bells? What do you think of them? Ah, find something you like. Yeah. We're doing the child swap, or they're going first anyway, and then we're going to go on. And we're just in the shop as they come out to catch them. And you're just having a wee shop of everything. Yeah, it's very cute. $35 for the bells, jeez. That's, yeah, they've got quite nice t-shirts and bits and pieces now. Some random things as well. That t-shirt's quite cool. I like that one, that's cute. Yeah, lots of nice things. Goldens come off the ride and they look so happy. Hey! Hey! Callum! Callum! What'd you think? What?
I went backwards and big time.
Oh, does it go a big back? It's been 4 years since we've been on it.
So look the loop in reverse.
Oh well. It's our turn. Time for Everest. We told them it didn't really go back for long, but apparently it does, so our mums weren't best pleased. But as I said to them, you're fine. You're still alive. So we're just gonna go. It's only a 20-minute wait anyway, so it's not too bad. The detailing here is like crazy good. Love it. Don't know if I'll have much time to look at it though, hopefully. Oh well, maybe yes we will. No, it's very cool. Look at all these things up here. Ready to climb Everest. Very brand newsletter, it's funny.
Expedition Everest membership proceeding to the loading.
Nearly time!
Once on board, please take your seat immediately. Pull down the restraint.
Jamie just can't help but she's back. To be in it, well, no extra one, so it's actually not too much away, but she just can't help it. Some boy. I've had to take her ears off to be specifically instructed. So she'll be asking in just a moment. It's our turn.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety, remain seated with your arms, feet, and legs extended.
Ears away.
Children. Be able to keep information receiving everything. Whatever is on
Oh, I wish I had my sunglasses. Oh, it's so bright. was so good.
My mum would have hated that.
Yeah, I can't imagine what mum did actually. I wish I'd seen it. You see their photo though. Oh, that was really good. Really enjoyed that. Oh. Looks like we're going for single rider. Why not? Queue was really short, but obviously just this way. This way.
Single rider entrance, right.
Yeah, this way.
Single rider?
Yeah. Thank you. Well, so we managed to do it again, single rider, like a few minutes, so that was good. We got to do it twice in a row. And now we're heading off to Cali River Rapids, see what the queue's like. And then we've got Flight Passage, which I'm just so excited. We're having a wee restroom stuff actually. But I might go and check out the queue time first and then catch up with them. That water's nothing yet. You'll get the biggest splash, Callum. Watch this.
How long is it? 20 minutes.
Anyone do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm happy to do it.
We've just been on the River Rapids. I forgot to take the camera and I went on twice for the child swap. I'm a wee bit wet, but not too bad. But my dad is absolutely soaked. And a wee soaked. But we've only got about 20 minutes left until our Flight of Passage finishes. So we're in a bit of a rush to get from Asia all the way down to Pandora. But we'll make it. And we'll have to do a child swap because our fast pass is nearly ended, so that's fine. But yeah, this is the moment. It's finally coming to go on. I avoided everything that I could, vlogs and everything, so I'm looking forward to seeing what it is for herself and to make my own mind up about it. It's huge, look at it. It's so cool. We're just doing rider swap, so we're waiting for Mum and Dad and Jason and Dad to come off. The guy said they should be off about 20 past, so it's coming up to 20 past now. Because Scarletts getting really hot and she's getting a bit bothered, but she's had the bottle, gave her some milk, changed her nappy, so she's feeling a bit better. I think we're just going to ride this and then head back to the hotel for a wee swim. We've got the Yachtsman tonight and extra magic hours at the Epcot if we feel up to it after that. So cool off and get ready for that tonight. It's our turn.
Hi.
Right, we're in the fast pass line. What time is it, Jamie? We'll see how long it takes.
1:26.
1:26. We'll see what this is all about. Oh, this is quite an impressive queue actually. I'll take my ears off. I think I'll have to set them up, I don't know. Wow.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing memory rite of passage. To get you flying on a Banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay, first we need to find the compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. Once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar.
Enjoy that. It was pretty incredible. I don't know what picture, I don't know what I imagined. I don't know. But it was so most people have probably been on it by now, but...
Yes, you. Oh, come on up. It'll be fine.
Ammo! Ammo!
There we go.
I'm like, ammo! Take this book you told me not to bring. Ammo! Cover!
Oh, now he's running. Oh, well. Oh, too close. There's a lot. There we go. Right on that line there. Oh. Oh, too close. His hands are full. That didn't work so well. Now, I'd rather not have any injured travelers up here today. So let's see. I'm gonna have you stand right down there on that end there. I'm gonna have you stand right here in the middle. I'm gonna have you stand down here on this end. Now, what we're gonna do is I've already talked
on the bus at Epcot for the Great Animal Kingdom, didn't we? But she's decided this is a really great time to do food. So yeah, this was the planned bus journey. So that's where we're going. She was like, you can smell it. So yeah, that's fun. But my parents and Jimmy's parents are going to meet us there. We're going to get a taxi. This gives us a bit more time to chill. So we're going to get back to about 3, and then this is just after 4:20 past 4. So we've got our dining reservation at Yachtsman at 5:45. So we're fine for that. Plenty of time. We're going to meet them there, so that's good. There you go, baby. We're on a bus and it's nice and cool. But yeah, we've got a wee bit dressed up, so why not? Some more dress later, I'll show you. She's just climbing in Epcot. We're just about to go in. Probably find bag. I'm supposed to say bag drop, but bag check. And Scarletts a bit fresher in it. So golf ball, it's exciting. It's lovely. So yeah. Oats. Go find Daddy. There he is. Is she hot? It's 9/11 today, so all the flags have been at half-mast. And there it is itself. Spaceship it. Oh, I can't wait to go in it. And look at the food and wine things. Oh, this is exciting. Shame we're just sort of bypassing. What time is it? 5 to 5. So we've got 50 minutes to get from the front of Epcot to Yachtsman. So take a wee stroll, might get a wee drink of the way. But yeah, that's just passing by. Hi! I like your ears! Oh, thank you! Perfect. Oh, green! So Scarlett had another idea. She's fallen asleep at 5 o'clock, so we're like, don't know how the night's going to go, but we'll go with the flow. So she maybe wake up enough to see Yachtsman, but it's when we'll go back to sleep. We're at World Showcase now, so we're just walking around past some of the booths. I think we might. Will we stop somewhere and get a drink? We're walking around?
A drink at the Yachtsman.
Oh, okay. So, I don't know. I think I might. But yeah, oh well, it's busy. This is what, Tuesday? So that's quite interesting. But it's sort of tea time, so that's fine. And it's extra magic hours, which we might go back across to do in a wee while. But we will see how the night ends and how Scarlett is, more importantly, I think. Here's construction on the Skyliner. You can see more from the other side. I'll maybe show you on the way back. I just love coming across the international gateway, it's great. My friend's actually coming for a honeymoon, staying at the beach club. I'm like so jealous. Carrie, you'll have a great time. We're just walking up to where you're going. You're going to May, so it'll be lovely. It should be quite quiet then. Oh, it's just lovely. One day. One day. I mean, the buildings are just so beautiful. Oh, I want to stay here so bad. We've gone to Ale and Compass for a drink. It's 20 past 5, so 20 minutes or so until hopefully they get there and a reservation. So let's have a seat and get in there. And Ale and Compass is lovely, really nice. It's obviously been renovated. We've got breakfast food one day, but I'm kind of on the edge of cancelling it or not. Just need to see. Having a wine, I'm happy. Happy our menu for $7 and James having a beer for $7. Good deal.
Thank you.
Lovely. Oh, it's butter with Hawaiian sea salt on top.
As you do.
Oh, I can smell the garlic. Right, Scarlett, are you going to get some? I'll be, yes please, I want that.
Yes, please, I'll have some of that. Thank you.
Scarlett, just wait. This is the New York strip, but I've had the truffle fries and Cabernet sauce. These prime ribs. Oh my goodness. Your pastel is beautiful, doesn't it? This is unbelievable. Oh my god, it is so good. You enjoying yours? You're having a bit of everyone.
That's the potato out of that.
Oh, it's incredible. I can't tell you how good it is. Oh, Scarlett, you want Daddy's prime rib? You're just having a ball there.
She's just showing off though.
Who just did it?
Taking the baby led really too far.
Right.
Scarlett!
Oh.
That's Daddy's tea.
Get it.
Chancer. This is just so pretty. So pretty. I'm so full. How are they? Oh, I'm so full. It was really, really nice. And my dessert, me and Jamie shared, which we really, really didn't need. But you know, we had the, what Sunday was it? Lexington Sunday. Oh, very nice. And we just paid the rest of the balance with a gift card, so that was great. So felt like a proper freebie. You know, it wasn't really, but you know, we'll go with that. We're right along to the arcade with a game of basketball, because that's what we did in our last trip in 2014. So we've been to the arcade and played basketball. It wasn't the same, it used to be like a different game, but anyway, it was fine. And then we came back and we lost the rest. But we've just found them, so we're just gonna have a wee wander around here. I think we're in Epcot for extra magic hours. Scarlett's still waiting, so I don't quite know how that's going to work tonight, but we just need to play it by ear, I suppose.
We're talking about getting a boat to Epcot.
We're getting the friendship boat. This is what actually was on my list to do, and because we've never done it before, so there we go. That'll be something ticked off the Disney list. I've got my ears back up, back to front. Back to front.
No, I don't think so.
What an idiot. And the fireworks are on, totally forgot, and Scarlett needed fed in the boat, so that's why I didn't film. That's fine. So I'm not quite sure if we've got a fast pass and the fireworks are on, so I don't know what we're going to do. So we better just have a wee discussion. So half and half. Me and Jimmy are going to do soaring. We've only got 10 minutes to get there, and we're at London, UK. Sorry. And Mum and Dad and James and my dad are staying to watch the fireworks, so hopefully we'll finish that and they'll still be on, and we can head back and meet them at a meeting place, because that's always spells disaster catching up with everyone. But we'll literally just made soaring fast pass 9 o'clock on the dot, as that's when the park closes. So fast pass to stop for extra magic hours. I think I'm wrong. Don't quote me on that. We made it in time anyway, so it was only 15 minutes, so it wasn't too bad, but this is the first time I've seen the new video, so I'm really looking forward to it. I think it'll be really good.
When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat. Store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties.
We're home. I think we definitely hit a wall, and we all did at the same time and went, oh. I can't remember where I left you, but we did soar in, then we went back and got the rest of the fireworks. So my mum and dad went home, and then me and Jamie and his parents went on Scarlett, of course. We were sound asleep, so that was great. Went across to do test track, and it was a 15-minute wait, 20 minutes for a single rider, so we passed on that, and I think then we realised we were done. So we went to leave the park, but then Spaceship Earth was only 5 minutes, so we did that, and that was fine. Callum didn't, he stayed with Scarlett, so that was fine. And then, that's what always happens when you're really, really tired, a bus never turns up. And 3 turned up for Riverside, we were raging. But I suppose that's just the way of it, and I do think it was only about 25 minutes maybe we waited. But there were still people waiting, so they'll have to wait in the next bus. So that's a bit of a shame, but always happens when you're so tired and hot, because it was really hot and sweaty actually, it wasn't nice. And you're just needing home. But Scarlett was so good, she slept all the way home in the bus. She didn't really wake up. And obviously there was a scooter and a wheelchair in the bus. No, 2 scooters, sorry. And that just took forever. And you're like, I just want to go home. So I'm literally going to take my makeup off, and I think I'll go like that. That'll be me out for the count. But tomorrow is Keys to the Kingdom for me and Jamie, which I'm regretting now booking it at 8 o'clock. But it's fine. I'm just hoping the buses are running that early. I'm sure they will be if there's things on, so if not we'll just have to get an Uber. So it's booked for 8, so I think our alarm's set for about 6. I think I've done 6 so I can snooze it till 6:15, and we'll aim to leave here for 7. So, and then we'll come back, we'll leave the parents to it. They're going to have to order lunch for themselves, which I don't think I can trust them with the dining plan. We just don't know what it is, so it's, but if they ask, I think that's the key. I'll get them to ask. And my mum's going to take Scarlett, so that's great. Yeah, so we're just looking forward to tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to getting some sleep, because I think day 3, and that's the wall definitely being hit. But I'm going to leave this here because I'm going to fall asleep, pretty much. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.